Everyone, my name is Ray, Division Manager dito po sa Antel Grand Village in Anyana, at kayo po ay nanonood ngayong ating house tour for the Tokyo Model House. But before we begin, I invite you to hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell to get you notified whenever we release new house and lot for sale updates and lots for sale. Alright, so let's begin. Okay, so welcome back again sa aking YouTube channel. My name is Ray, Division Manager dito po sa Antel Grand Village in Anyana. And today po is bagyo, no? Dito po sa Cavite at maulan. So, I take advantage na videohan itong buong property kasi hindi maaraw at ako lang pong mag-isa. So, ayan, medyo maliwanag yung atin pong video at wala pong mga manggugulo. Anyway, so this Tokyo Model House with a lot area of at least 100 square meters. So, makikita nyo po yung facade natin, it's a very modern or contemporary house kasi more on glass. Plus you have that vertical slats and horizontal bars na design. And of course, itong isang unit na ito guys, this one po is naka-attach, pero po ang turnover natin is no attachment na po or hindi na po siya nakadikit. Kasi nagkataon lang po ito na this one is end unit. Pero po ang turnover natin is same like this, no? Single attach. So this one is New York and then this one is the Tokyo. Alright, so if feature natin si Tokyo Model House, makikita nyo din na may siyang trellis kasi the trellis is optional. Pwede pong walang trellis and then pwede rin pong merong trellis. Alright, so this is the 100 square meters property. So from this post up to that post po, no? So you have a car garage and you have this 3 meters na setback, which is ito po yung requirement ng Philippine Green Building Code, correct, no? PD 1096. So you have this beautiful garden set and you have this porch area, and on this side ito naman po yung car garage area nyo naman. So kasi dito isang SUV, and maganda po itong unit na ito kasi meron siyang lanay, no, dito sa gilid na to. So same dito sa ating Florida model, meron siyang lanay. And sa likod, meron ka pang 2 meters na setback, which is later on, no, pag nakalipat kayo, pwede siyang lagyan ng bubuong. But now, ikutin natin, no, ito pong Tokyo Model House. Right? Para doon sa aking mga buyers na bumili ng Tokyo Model House, ito na po yung update. No? Kahit nasa abroad tayo guys, is makikita nyo po yung actual, no, nangyayari dito po sa model house na Tokyo Model. Alright, so ito po is pinaganda dahil model house. So as you can see, so this is the living area and then the ground floor area of the house. So di ba? Ang ganda. Look at this one. This is the living space and receiving guests. You can receive your guests here. Plus you have this ganda ng TV set or cabinet here. Plus you have this bedroom one on the ground floor. Look at this one guys, impressive. And meron ka ng modular cabinet, plus you have this counter. Nice. Ayan siya guys, meron siya isang wall mounted aircon. Okay, so this is a practical house kasi it has 4 bedroom then 2 toilet and bath and car garage. So at least kahit nasa abroad kayo at vacation house po ang hanap nyo pag dito kayo sa Philippines, so ito po hindi naman siya gaanong mahal. Mura lang po ito, nasa 6.3 million pesos ito. Pero nag-iiba po ang prices nito kasi po nagtataas po ang property value every 3 months, no, dito po sa Anyana, Antal Tansa. So at least you have the idea po nitong ating Tokyo model na dress unit kasi po ang turnover natin ito yung kabilang unit naman po. So ito po is pinaganda. So hindi po itong actual turnover. This one is the idea of the designer na in the event nakalipat kayo sa unit ninyo, pwede nyo pong gayahin yung ganitong design. Alright, so this one is your kitchen area and your dining area. So makikita nyo din yung inyong pong mga cabinet. Ganda. Wow. So close. Tingnan natin. Wow, nice. Ganda. The other one. Oh, nice. Ma'am Nancy, look at this one, oh. So, dito sa Anyana po, pwede pong lot lang ang bibilhin. And then, pwede rin pong house and lot package. Pero kung gusto niyo po, practical, mas maganda na house and lot. Para po, pagkalipat niyo, may bahay na siya. Okay? Pagkatapos niyo pong bayaran, may bahay na kayo. And of course, yung pinaka counter niyo po dito, this one is made of quartz. Then meron kayo dito dalawang owning window. Ayan. Plus, ito yung pinaka switch and socket. And on this side, ito yung hagdanan nyo going up. But bago kayo akit sa taas, you have this common toilet and bath on the ground floor. Wow, nice. Diba? Pati yung taas niya, ang taas din. American size or Russian type. Ang taas ng kanyang tingnan natin. Lights on. Wala pang kuryente. Pero look at the wash area. Ganda. Plus this vanity mirror here. Imagine meron ka diyang isang ilaw, guys. Maganda dito mag live. Okay? So this is the toilet and bath. And dito po sa ilalim ng hagdanan, you can convert this space into a storage area po. Ayan dito. Okay? So look at the switches. So since this is the ground floor area, meron ka isang wall-mounted aircon. At least, kasyang-kasya yan dito kasi malaki yan. So hindi ko alam kung ilang horsepower yan. Pero yung color coding dito, guys, mapapansin nyo, it's a combination of brown, black, and gray. No? And then yung ating kisame is white. Alright, so let's go up. So ito po, binilang ko na to. So oro, plata, mata. So oro po ito. Ayan, so ang ganda rin. So ito yung hagdanan natin. Wow, it's impressive. So this is the Tokyo model house, guys. Now imagine. Wow. So this is the second floor. Here on the second floor, you have 3 bedrooms and common toilet and bath. So hallway. And this is the bedroom 1 here. Look at this one, guys. Wow, ang ganda ng cabinet. Saan kaya nila nabili itong cabinet na ito, guys? No? So ito kasi pasadya, kaya magandang klase. Ayan, no? At least, Sir Val, at least you have the idea kung ano yung ilalagay nyo dito, Sir Val. So dito po, magkasya isang double size bed. Pero ang turnover natin, guys, wala pong built-in cabinet. And meron kayo isang window. Actually, dalawang window here. Plus isang malaking mirror. And then, look at this one. Meron kayo isang wall-mounted aircon. So, kasyang-kasya, no? For your children or for your guests. And then, on this side, so this one is more wider, no? It can accommodate a queen size bed, I think, this one, plus a wall-mounted aircon. So, ayan, ang laki. And then, ang ganda dito, guys, mag-zumba. Look at this one. Alright, so, ayan po. Plus, you have this customized cabinet. Ganda, no? Lahat mirror. Open natin. Wow. Ganda ng setup, no? Alright, so, hindi pa po tayo naglo-launching. So, pinapakita ko lang po sa inyo, guys, yung ating pong magiging launching, no? Later on. So, this one is Tokyo Model House. Ang ganda na din kasi imagine mo na lang 4 bedroom, then 2 common CR. And then sa taas, this is your toilet and bath sa taas po. Wow, so malaki din, no? And then the shower heads. Wow, look at this one. Nice. Right, the space is quite wide. And you have this wash area. Okay, so meron mga switches dito, guys. So in case na magbo-blower kayo or meron kayong appliances na pwedeng saksak dyan. So, ayan, magagamit nyo pa. And then, on this side, another room. No? This is the fourth bedroom or the fourth bedroom, guys. So, still, it has a customized cabinet. And on this side, ayan siya, guys. No? Ayan. It can accommodate a double size bed or queen size bed, I think. Plus, lahat siya mayroon siyang aircon. Okay? Pero imagine mo lang na this one has the lot area of 100 square meters. Ayan. So, this one po is available through bank financing, deferred, and cash term. So, if you're going to pay cash, then check natin yung availability ng lot. So, this is the second floor of the house. No? You have 3 bedroom, then common toilet and bath. Maliwanag, maaliwalas, even the ceiling mataas. And then, pati hagdanan natin, guys, ang ganda din. Ha? Look at this one. Kasi this is the model unit. And then, pagbaba nyo, ayan na siya. See? Impressive, right? Gorgeous. Wow. Okay, to give you the recap. Alright, again guys, so maraming salamat po sa inyong pong pagsama hanggang dito sa ating recap. So again, so this property with the lot area of 100 square meters at least. And with a floor area of 107.35. So it has 4 bedrooms with 2 toilet and bath and a car garage, a carport. So this one po, kapag inner lot nyo inyo pong nabili, this one is a single farmable house. Kapag naman corner po ang inyo pong nabili na property, no? Tapos kita tayo nyo dito, itong Tokyo model house. So this one po might be a single detached. Wala siyang farmable. Anyway, so itong pinapakita ko ngayon sa inyo guys, this is our model unit. And hindi po ito yung actual turnover kasi this one po is na-maximize, na-design, at mas pinaganda. Yung kabilang unit po, no, sa aking next video, yun po yung ating pinaka-actual turnover. Pero, at least, nakikita nyo po, you have the idea already. Once the house is turned over sa inyo po, you have the idea kung ano po yung inyong magiging design ng inyong pong house. So, the total contract price for this unit po nasa 6,300,000. And this one po is available through bank financing for this July only kasi po mayroon tayong price increase every 3 months po. So nag-iiba yung pricing natin. Lalo na kasi pre-selling po yung project natin. So the more na nade-develop yung project, the more nagmamahal yung pinaka-property cost value. And the more na lumalayo yung mga availability lots, yung mga for sale lots. So, might i-grab niyo po yung opportunity kasi the developer is giving 30 months to pay, no interest. So, just make 15% down payment lang po. And then, the 15% down payment is staggered or prorata or installment siya, hulog-hulugan, hindi siya bigla ang bayan. Pero kung gusto niyo po, gawin na agad yung house ninyo, then pipili tayo ng magandang location po, no, para doon sa gagawing house para sa inyo. So, pipili tayo doon sa Antel Grand Village kasi doon po sa area na yun, existing lots na po yung meron tayo guys. And of course, no, shout out kay Ma'am Nancy, kay Ma'am Catherine na sa America. And then kay Sir Val na nasa Australia. And of course, sa ating mga buyers dyan nasa Canada. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat, no, sa pagsusubaybay. And of course, ang maganda ngayon, kasi ako lang mag-isa dito guys kasi bagyo, nakikita ko yung area guys is, this one is very safe. Walang baha, plus elevated. And of course, itong project na to, anya na very accessible going to Manila via Capitex. Right? Kung nagustuhan niyo po yung video na ito guys, please don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to get you notified whenever we release new updates and house and lot for sale, commercial lots for sale, and lots for sale. My name is Ray, and antayin ko yung tawag ninyo guys, no, para doon sa inyong quotation. Maraming salamat and see you in my next video. God bless.